Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader and expert. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now. If you have watched my previous videos on USD CAD, then you can easily recognize these three lines, because these three lines have been constant in my videos for the last couple of days. Because you can clearly see that if I zoom out the chart, the more or less the trend of the market is still towards the upside. Yes, more or less the market is towards the upside. We cannot consider this as a very bullish market, very extremely bullish market, but still the market seems to be going towards the upside. And if we just zoom in, then we can clearly see that right now the market looks sideways. And as we all know, in a sideways market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, we get trading opportunities on both the side. And whereas in a trending market, if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly go for buying opportunities considering the higher number of buyers. On the other hand, in the downtrend market, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities considering the higher number of sellers. But in sideways market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. As a result, we get trading opportunities on both the sides. So here you can see that at the bottom we have got 1.2610 level from the weekly chart. If you look at the weekly chart here, then you'll find that market has been respecting this level as the support. Yes, unlike the other weekly support, this is not a very strong one. Okay, let me be very clear, this is not a very strong ultimate support for the market. Okay, but yes, this is a support from the weekly chart, and yes, market has also respected it quite some time. And on the other hand, apart from this weekly support level, we have this trend line which is acting as a dynamic support for the market. So here we had double support in the USD CAD chart. The first support was from the trend line and the second support was from the weekly chart. But we had double support, but still you can see that market is trading below 1.2610 level. Yes, if we look at the overall chart here, then you will understand that market has been testing this level and going up as well. So therefore we still cannot consider this portion of the market as a breakout towards the downside. My dear friends, if you look at the chart carefully, then you will see that this is not a breakout towards the downside, and I still see opportunity. I still have got hopes that market will be trading above the level again, because USD CAD also has got external factors dominating the market. The first of all, we have the chart of US dollar, because whenever dollar goes up, we see USD CAD also going up. US dollar is an uptrend right now, and though US dollar is standing at the weekly resistance here, but still it is trying its best. The buyers in the market are still giving their best fight to take the price upward. So in case the buyers succeed in taking the market up, there is a good possibility of USD CAD going up again. But the problem is with the crude oil, because it also affects the market of US dollar. And if you look at the chart of crude oil here, so see, I'll be making a separate video how crude oil affects the Canadian dollar and how it affects the USD CAD. But just try to understand that whenever the price of crude oil goes up, Canadian dollar goes up. When the price of crude oil goes down, the price of Canadian dollar goes down, because crude oil is a part of Canadian economy. They mainly export crude oil. So if the price of crude oil goes up, Canadian dollar strengthens. So if the price of crude oil goes down, the Canadian dollar also goes down, because crude oil is a huge part of Canadian economy and they earn huge money just exporting crude oil. That's the main factor. So whenever crude oil goes up, yes, whenever crude oil also goes up, we see USD CAD going down. So Dollar, if dollar goes up, USD CAD goes up. When dollar goes down, USD CAD goes down. When crude oil price goes up, it goes down, USD CAD. When crude oil price goes down, crude oil goes down, USD CAD goes up. So things are very much confusing here. Okay, things are very much confusing here, isn't it? So if you are a beginner, if you have failed to understand what is going on, then just leave it. Okay, just leave it. What you need to do is that, okay, if you see market trading above the level of 1.2610 again, then you can click on the buy button. Just follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Follow proper risk management. You can initiate a buy above this level. If you see market trading comfortably, yes, I'm using the word comfortably because it is extremely important, just to understand, just to make sure that 1.2610, this level is still a valid support for the market. So once you get the confirmation that market is trading comfortably, no issues for the market, then you can click on the buy button. That is the only trading opportunity for the USD CAD right now. Okay, we do have a resistance at the top, but right now the resistance is far away, so I do not want to waste your time. And my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market, where I do not explain this kind of confusing stuff with you, where I just bring you the best trading opportunities in front of you. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.